Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CHK. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video right there. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Done this analysis several times in the past, including just yesterday on Tuesday. So that is where the orange and green line here are coming from. I'm going to go ahead and get rid of that green line. That level, which I've talked about time and time again at 50 cents, did indeed finally hold up in a big way. Got the bounce, and then the other level that we've been talking about is that resistance trend line right there. So you can see got the break from the resistance trend line, and then on it went. Sure, a little bit of a pullback, but now the question going forward is just simply, hey, you got the trend line break, but is there some true power behind this break? The breakout has occurred, but now is this going to be a faulty breakout, or is this going to be a legitimate breakout? And I have no idea, but the good news is by using a certain level, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, the key level to watch going forward, which will help us answer that question about the trend line break, is right here at 53 cents. Why is 53 important? Well, I'm not saying this will occur, but let's say that the price comes down to this area and then just continues on down. What would that be doing to the price? Well, from a very literal perspective, that would be putting the price right back to where it was. And not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true power. Whereas on the flip side of things, let's say the price comes down here, because again, nothing can go straight up, but comes down there, behaves in this manner, and then begins to work its way back upwards. Now, all of a sudden, what would you have? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have these lows down there. If you envision each of those as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps making progress in the upwards direction, and that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward, and again, in this situation, quote-unquote progress being defined as 53 cents. As far as where the sellers are at and resistance, key level to now going forward is this stubborn area right up here at the 56 cent mark. You can see this level is right where it was rejected from before, and then rejected from right there. So 56 cents, public enemy number one. All in all, though, nice breakout of the trend line. So let's see if the price can start to build upon this going forward. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.